What is the place of supply of accommodation services? So, accommodation service, give an example. Section 12, 3B of IGST Act, location of the hotel, location of inn, location of guest house, location of homestay, location of club, and location of campsite, or the location of house, boat, or vessel shall be the place of supply of service in relation to the accommodation service. So, where you get the service, the accommodation service. You have been registered in New Delhi, but you get accommodation in Kerala. But the place of supply will be Kerala rather than New Delhi. In the case, accommodation was provided by the multiple locations, situations different states, and vessels or boat located in more than one state in the time of supply of service. And the value of supply of service will be treated as made in each of the state proportionate to the value of services separately collected, determined terms of a contract or arrangement enter into. Example, this is a moving house. Moving house, you can stay, but it will be moving. So what will happen is you get a contract, and on the as per the contract, as per the kilometer travel, if in the case of in this state, this vehicle, this moving buses, moving house buses, you're staying, moving house hotel, you are staying. It is in this state for this many kilometers, and after this many kilometers. So as per the range it is traveled, as per the stay in that area, you will be billed. Such a way you can claim. In the absence of such contract or arrangement on such of the reasonable basis as may be prescribed. Example, OYO rooms based on the Bangalore takes in reservation of accommodation in a hotel across India for ABC Airlines based upon the New Delhi for overnight stay of crew members. Place of accommodation service shall be located of the hotels where the crew members are staying. In the case of arrangement between OYO rooms and airline is per the per night room basis. And the value of the service separately collected for each hotel shall be in the case of arrangement between OYO rooms and the ABC Airlines is a lump sum basis for the month, then the place of supply shall be determined as per the prescribed in the rules.